Hey guys, what's happening? I had to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. So as you can see on Binance, we need to generate the address first, right? So next to the total balance, you gotta find the yellow button, add funds. Just go ahead and click add funds. And then you're gonna see the last option. I have crypto asset. So go ahead and click deposit crypto. And we're gonna select, of course, the USDT. So I'm gonna select USDT right here. Right? And then select that network. The most known network to use to transfer money from, to transfer USDT from this network, from Bitget to Binance is Tron. So I'm gonna select that TRC20, right? And then simply copy the address, okay? Next to the deposit address, you're gonna see the icon of copying, right? And then go back to your screen, go ahead to the Bitget, select the USDT from your settings if you have already logged in, and then you're gonna be able to send USDT by hitting send, and then enter the address right away and select the same network as I selected in my Binance. So basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we will catch you in the next time.